Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to 5 Python tricks that you can use to improve your life. Python is a great programming language, and with a few of these tips, you can begin utilizing Python in your own life to make it even better. The first trick I'm going to be discussing is creating your own personalized reminders. This is one of my favorite uses of Python. With the right code, you can create a simple reminder system that will send a message to your phone or email at predetermined times with reminders for tasks that you need to complete. This can be really helpful for both keeping track of your busy life and remembering to stay productive. Next, I'll be talking about how to use Python to create automated responses or messages. Automation can be a very powerful tool when it comes to communication, and it doesn't have to just be limited to work emails. By writing a few lines of code, you can create automated messages to be sent at certain times or when certain conditions are met. This can help you save time, access information when you're busy, and help you be more productive overall. The third trick I'll be discussing is how to use Python to make data visualizations. Python can be used to create compelling visual graphs and charts that can help make data easier to comprehend and visualize. Whether you're doing research for an upcoming project, or just want to be able to better understand your own data, Python can produce graphs and charts that will help you quickly grasp a concept. Up next, I'll be talking about how to use Python to automate repetitive tasks. Writing a few lines of code can help you to easily complete tedious and time-consuming tasks. You can use automation to create a checklist, run analysis on a certain data set and more, quickly and efficiently. Automation can save you valuable time and energy by helping you to effortlessly complete difficult tasks. Finally, I'll be talking about how to harness Python for web development. If you want to create a website or web application, then you can use Python to make your project come to life. With the right code and a bit of dedication, you can create a fully functional website or web application that you can be proud of. Once you learn the basics, you'll be able to use Python to craft websites and applications of your own. These are just 5 of the many ways that you can use Python to improve your life. With the right techniques, you can be more productive, develop websites more efficiently, and more. Python can be used to help make your life a little bit easier and more organized, so why not give it a try? I hope you found this video helpful, and I thank you for watching.